So create composite item. This is where you create composite item. And yesterday we were able to create this executive office share for MD assembly. This was the two we created yesterday. So today we're going to build more assembly. So I'm click on the assemblies here, then we click on new. So we select the item we want to produce. So now it's still showing us 0. Why? 0 box, 0 pair, 0 everything. Why is everything 0? Okay, let's quickly build another one. Let's design another one. I don't know why this error keep coming since yesterday. So let's do another one and see what's going to happen with us. So go to composite items now. Composite items. I'm going to duplicate the sheet. We have composite items. So click on new. And what have we built today? Let's look at an item here. Bill of material. So let's quickly produce executive chair. Okay, sorry, conference room table. Let's see how to build this conference room table. So we're going to produce this. So let's see how we do that. Conference table, Control V. Then I will go to item. I want to go to item list there. So I can be checking those items and their quantity. Okay. Let me do something here. I have to. I want to see the quantity we have. 76. Okay. So what are the items we need for this conference room? We need 4 MDF. MDF 18 mm. We need 4 sheets. MDF 4. I think it's set. We need MDF. MDF. We have 74 at hand now. So we need 4 of these. Right? We need mahogany timber. We need 6 plank of mahogany. Mahogany timber. We need 6 plank. All right. What again do we need? We need square pipe. 4 length of square pipe. Square pipe. We need 4. So based on the rate that we have in the system, so you can see these are the cost price, the selling price. But because we are not selling this item, so the price are the same, or maybe we imported them in error. So you ensure the prices are not the same. If you are doing it for client, the price should not be the same here. So we also need what again? We need plywood. We need 2 plywood. We need 2 plywood. We'll also add that plywood. We need 2. So we can stop there. Now we can stop there. So we don't have services today. Now the cost price, you can click on the cost price. You can copy from total. That's 82,800. Or if you have a cost price in mind as a company, you can use your cost price. You can just click on inside here and type your cost price, 90,000. Or you copy from total. Selling price also, assuming we have the selling price here. If you want to copy from total, you can copy, or you can fix your selling price, 130,000. Then you select the account. Which account is taking this? I can go to cabinet. Okay, let's say sofa, okay, chair, whatever. Then material used. Material used. So you had you can have descriptions to read. Then we'll have select this finished goods. The other point you can add that if there is need. Then you save. Item conference row already exists. Okay, we have imported this as item. This has been imported as an item when we are importing. So let me have something to make it different. Tables deliberate. So we've added this. Now we have 0 currently now. Now to create an assembly, just come here and click on assembly, or you click on the top here and click create assembly. So when you click on this, oh sorry, I can see no, it's a head office. Oh sorry, I can see. This is where we are. This is what is causing our issues since yesterday. We didn't select location, so it was waiting for location to be selected. So at least we have seen the problem now. So we select location, and then this assembly 003. So it's telling us that with what we have, with the material we have at hand, we can create up to 8.3 of this item. So we want to produce 2. So to produce 2 now, you just select here everything. You can see the quantity we are going to need is there, everything is there. If there is need for to change any of the material, you can change the material. If there is need to add any service or additional service or whatsoever, you can add service to add to the cost. You can say okay, maybe delivery or labor cost, direct labor. I say okay, we need like for each of them, let's say 0.4 hours or whatever of each of them. So once you are done with this, you save, assemble. You can just assemble this. Click on assemble. Now you have created two products now, which means that by now your inventory of those items has been reduced and some other inventory has increased. That is how we build build product in Zoho Books or Zoho Inventory.